Thuria Baraginyo. Na tugitigana riboti ni ati munini wa president Kithure Kindiki ni oritie mabarothi a Kenya mabũrũri-inĩ matiganĩte matigirire ni marendia mbica njega ya bũrũri wa Kenya uria kwagĩrĩire gutigirira ritwa na ngumo iria iri Kenya nja wa bũrũri ndirathiĩ thĩ. Akiaria hĩndĩ ya kĩgomano kĩa mabarothi kĩrĩa gĩkoretwo gĩgĩthiĩ na mbere mũciĩ-inĩ mũnene wa Nairobi, Kindiki augĩte Kenya nĩ ithondekete ritwa mabũrũri-inĩ ma nanja na he bata rĩrĩa maraũrũgamĩrĩra macorage mbica njega gutigirira ndũrahakwo ndoro.
The Safaricom partial divestiture and the partial sale of Kenya Pipelines shares, we are going to raise 350 billion. Just those two transactions alone. But for every shilling we have raised through these transactions, we will attract 10 shillings from private sector, because we'll have assured the private sector, if we are putting that money to build a road or a railway or an airport, we just need to invest 10%, 90% will come from that confidence from the private sector. So you have a big role to play to project Kenya as a safe country, as an important country, and as a country on the move. I wish you all the best. And when you're there, please sell Kenya in the morning, in the afternoon. Sell Kenya on Monday, Tuesday through Sunday. Sell Kenya January to December. Sell Kenya forever. Okay? And if you run out of, after saying many things about our beautiful country, about its people, about the opportunities, about the peace, about everything else, if you run out of sale points or selling points, just ask whoever you're talking to. Kenya ni fire, si fire.